Like every other mechanical tool, you need to maintain your Singer sewing machine too. It's not that difficult. In this video I will tell you how to oil it and how to maintain your Singer 48K. Everything metal on metal that moves, hinges or, well, works, can use some oil once a while. In the manual you can find pictures of what and where to oil. Most places are accessible, like behind the faceplate. This should open, but I don't dare to. On the rear of the machine there's a large inspection plate. That plate can be removed very easily. Take a look and give it some oil. Tilt the machine and look underneath. Now turn the balance wheel and now you have an idea what to oil. For illustration purposes, I oiled something, but not everything. Last thing is the oil holes. Singer has some holes everywhere on the machine. Deposit 1 drop of oil in each of them. Take a look in the manual for more information. Good luck, and don't forget to watch the longer video with more info on this vintage Singer.